Okay, this video is your virtual lesson. First we should create a new document, and it happens here. And then we can choose some template, and I guess we can take ACAD ISO 3D for instance and open it as a template. So now we have certain settings done already, and let's make something 3D. And now I have this drafting and annotation workspace, and usually if I do something 3D I want to go to 3D modeling workspace. That actually changes the whole menu system, so now we have totally different tabs here, and all the tools are different, as we can see. And now I start doing a table. First I create cylindrical or cylinders for legs, and one will be at coordinate 0, 0, so I type 0, 0, enter. And radius will be, let's say, 20 millimeters. And finally how high I want to make this, how tall, and let's say it will be 700 millimeters. And now one cylinder is there. I can turn this around here, but usually I hold down Shift key and then I hold down scroll wheel from the mouse, and now it's also quite easy to navigate three-dimensionally. And then I make some copies. I go to copy tool. Actually I can select first what to copy and then I take copy tool, and now I start copying from here. At the moment actually center object snap is not on, but I can make it on here. So I start from this center point to make copies, and these object snaps, they are working three-dimensionally. I click here, and now I can go to certain direction, like 0 degrees. 0 degrees means same thing as direction of x-axis. And how far I want to go, let's say 1600, enter. And then I could go also the direction of 90 degrees and distance 700, enter. And then I end pressing ESC. Now I have a couple of copies and I make one more copy. I select this one, I take a copy tool, but now for start point I'm going to click center point here, click, and for end point center point here, click, and as you can see that was a nice way to find a proper position for this cylinder. I need one more box, and I start doing a box here, and I start from this corner. As you can see, this center point is three-dimensional. You can see there is 700 here as Z coordinate. I start here, click, and then I continue to this center point, click, and then height will be 40, enter. So I created a box, and I can click that box, and now I have those little blue grips to modify. I click this grip and I move this way and I go 50 units, and I click this too and 50, enter. And then I hold down Shift, I hold down mouse scroll wheel and look this way. I click this one and this way 50, enter, and finally I select this one and go this way 50, enter, and ESC. Now my table seems to be ready, and then I want to make a layout of this table, but I do that in different video. So on the next video you can see that.